Hey everybody, welcome back to Cookhouse. It's your Uncle Bud here. Today we'll be making a nice sandwich. That's right, sandwich. Making a steak sandwich. Now we got some nice sirloin here. We're going to fry up in the pan over here. It's a little thin. I don't like a thick steak on this sandwich. I like something that'll eat quick, cook even, be tasty. But to start with, we're going to make a nice garlic aioli to go on the bun. Complement that meat real well. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Let's get to it. So to start our aioli here, we got about a cup of that good mayonnaise. Not that Miracle Whip stuff nobody should eat. So we got some lime juice we're going to put in here. Lime. There I go again. If you remember a few episodes back, I said lime when I meant lemon. I said lemon when I meant lime. Lemon. We got some lemon juice going in here. There's one large lemon. And apparently our seeds decided to join the party, so let's pick those out. One. Now I have washed my hands, folks. Don't worry, don't worry. Two. I'm about to wash them again. Look at that. And one more lemon juice for this guy. All right. We got a little Worcestershire sauce. Just a couple dabs. Crazy. Now this is roasted garlic, so I have here 2 full bowls of lovely roasted garlic. Now what we do is take off all the outer skin, slice the top off, put a little olive oil on it, a little salt, pop in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. That's what you get. Now this should be soft enough where I can just squeeze all of the garlic goodness right out. Do the same with the other. Nice and soft, buttery smelling. Cookhouse smelled really good when I was making this. There we go. Now that we're going to add just a sort of a heavy pinch of kosher salt. And we're going to add in some black pepper. There we go. Now we got our little mini whisk. We're going to combine this. We'll chill it in the fridge while we make our sandwich. Actually, while we cook our steak. And we'll go with simple seasoning on that. Just a little salt, a little pepper. We got plenty of garlic in our aioli here. No reason to add additional powdered garlic to it. Here we go. It's really good looking. Ain't that delicious? Alright, so our steak going here. Fry in the pan, 2 minutes aside. We'll show you that here in a second. Make up a real nice sandwich. A little provolone on there, a little onion for myself, slice of tomato. Real nice. So we got our sirloins here. You can see they're about sandwich size. There's a little bit of marbling in there, a little salt and pepper on. We'll lay these in the pan. I got nice butter in here, melting down. Add a little richness. Now only cook about 2-3 minutes aside. A little shake after you put in the pan to make sure they don't stick. So as you watch, you can see the doneness of the steak starting to come up the side. Show you here. Now it's starting to turn. We'll go ahead and flip our steaks at this point. We're going for about a medium rare. Nice medium. We'll go ahead and take our steaks off at this point. I got some sweet onion here I've sliced up. Put these in the pan. These caramelize a little bit. That means we're utilizing all that flavor from that butter, the beefiness off that steak. toss around here. Now we don't want these to be too soft. We still want a little toothiness to them. So we're just getting a little flavor in. I'll cook up a little bit. Once you see they start not quite holding that round shape anymore, you know they're done. I'm getting pretty close here. Alright, looks pretty good. Got some color, a little bit softer. I'll take these off here. Put them on the steak. Now I picked up some buns from the bakery. They call them ultimate hamburger buns. They look like pretty good, nice and fluffy potato buns to me. Store brand, they're not a particular one. So they're fresh made in store, they look good, smell really good. They're going to pair up with a steak and these onions real well. So now we're going to step over to the counter, get this sandwich put together. So now we have all of our ingredients for this fantastic steak sandwich together. So I got these buns I was talking about. You can see they're not quite sliced yet. Nice and hairy though. Really light. Looks good. So I'm going to lay it down here. Cut it open. Look at that, beautiful. I'll take some of this garlic aioli. Spread on our top bun. Spread some on our bottom bun. Maybe a little more on our bottom bun. Like so. Nice piece of steak. Couple slices of Provolone cheese. A nice thick slice of tomato. A little salt. A little pepper. Those onions we just cooked up. A little nest on there with those. Nice and pretty. And top her off. Now heat from that steak will melt that cheese down. That is one good looking sandwich. So we'll slice this guy in half. Get that nice cross section. There we go. Let's open up and see what it looks like. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna have me a bite. So as you can see, a little bit of pink and melt of the steak. All layers, all that good flavor we got built in there. Now it's my time to eat, your time to be jealous. Man, it's good. Got aioli. A bunch of that garlic. Not too much though. Steak's well done. Well cooked, not well done. Hope y'all give that a try. It's fantastic. I'm glad y'all joined us down at Buzz Cookhouse. Tell your mama about us. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out our Instagram. It's growing. I want y'all to join the family and help us grow there on YouTube as well. We'll see you next time.